So here we are on top of the roof, Manchester city centre, just having a look around, just doing my job as usual. I'm supposed to be working on this, although you can't fucking see it. Doing all this, but I think seeing that we're at this high up, we might as well have a good look. And there you go, little events. Got the refuge over there. It's all good. All the nice little buildings around Manchester, well the tops of them anyway. Over there we've got the Hilton. Very tall building indeed. And what time is it now? Over here is the town hall. Quite a big town hall. Voila. Big Ben wannabe. All the corporate buildings. And all that. There you go. A 360 view of Manchester.